The perfect care for your cotton-polyester blend.
Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to care for a 70% cotton, 30% polyester blend to prevent shrinkage. It's important to understand the best ways to care for your clothing to prolong its lifespan and keep it looking fresh. So, let's get started.
What is a 70% cotton, 30% polyester blend?
The first thing we should know is what exactly a 70% cotton, 30% polyester blend is. It's a fabric that combines the natural comfort of cotton with the durability and wrinkle resistance of polyester. This makes it a popular choice for many types of garments, but it also requires specific care to maintain its shape and size.
How can shrinkage occur?
Shrinkage can occur due to high temperatures and agitation in the washing and drying process. Cotton is especially prone to this. Although the polyester in the blend helps to minimize shrinkage, it's still possible if not cared for correctly.
Washing the cotton-polyester blend.
When washing, always use cold or lukewarm water, as hot water can cause shrinkage. Choose a gentle cycle to reduce agitation. Also, consider using a mild detergent, since harsh ones may affect the fabric's color and texture.
Drying the cotton-polyester blend.
When it comes to drying, it's best to air dry your clothing. Lay it flat on a towel to avoid stretching. If you must use a dryer, select a low heat setting or air fluff option. Again, high heat can cause shrinkage.
Ironing the cotton-polyester blend.
If your garment needs ironing, use a low setting without steam. Polyester can melt or get shiny spots under high heat, while steam can cause cotton to shrink. There you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to care for your 70% cotton, 30% polyester blend clothing and prevent shrinkage. It's all about treating your garments gently and avoiding high temperatures. We hope this video has been helpful and that you'll join us again soon for more clothing care tips. Happy laundering!